Clip hairstyle is one of the easiest, trendiest, and most versatile ways to style hair, making it a favorite choice for people of all ages and hair types. Hair clips have evolved from simple functional tools into fashionable accessories that can instantly upgrade any look, whether casual, professional, or glamorous. Clip hairstyles are loved because they save time, reduce heat damage, and offer endless styling possibilities, from simple everyday looks to elegant event-ready styles. Popular clip types include claw clips, barrettes, snap clips, decorative jeweled clips, and alligator clips, each designed for different styling needs and hair textures. Short hair looks stylish with mini clips and side pin designs. Medium hair works beautifully with half-up styles and twisted back looks, while long hair allows for creative updos, messy buns, braided clip styles, and layered clip designs. Trendy clip hairstyles include half-up claw clip looks, messy clip buns, side-swept pin styles, twisted back romantic designs, braid-decorated clip styles, sleek low ponytails enhanced with clips, bang-holding snap clip looks, and vintage-inspired wave styles secured with decorative clips. Clip hairstyles are perfect for special occasions such as weddings, where pearl and crystal clips add elegance, parties where bold, shiny clips create a glamorous effect, office environments where minimalist clips provide a neat and professional appearance, and casual outings where colorful or playful clips express personality and creativity. Many celebrities and social media influencers have helped popularize clip hairstyles by showcasing trendy looks on red carpets, fashion events, and online tutorials, proving that clips are both stylish and practical. Choosing the right hair clip depends on hair thickness, length, comfort, grip strength, outfit coordination, and occasion, with thicker hair requiring stronger clips and finer hair benefiting from lightweight designs. To make clip hairstyles last longer, it is helpful to use texturizing spray, avoid overloading clips, secure hair gently but firmly, and choose high-quality clips with strong grips. Common mistakes to avoid include using weak clips for thick hair, pulling hair too tightly, overcrowding styles with too many clips, and neglecting hair health. Clip hairstyles can be personalized through DIY customization, matching clips with outfits, mixing clip styles, experimenting with colors, and creating themed looks for special events. These hairstyles also work beautifully across all hair textures, enhancing curls, adding structure to straight hair, defining waves, and supporting protective styles for natural and coily hair. Proper hair care when using clips includes removing them gently, avoiding sleeping with tight clips, keeping clips clean, moisturizing hair regularly, and preventing unnecessary pulling or stress on strands. As fashion trends continue to evolve, clip hairstyles remain popular due to their convenience, affordability, creativity, and ability to transform looks instantly, making them a timeless beauty trend that continues to inspire new styles and designs. Clip hairstyles truly offer the perfect balance of beauty, simplicity, and practicality, making them an essential part of modern hair fashion. Clip hairstyle is a modern, stylish, and practical way to manage and beautify hair, making it one of the most popular hairstyle trends today. Hair clips have transformed from basic hair-holding tools into fashionable accessories that enhance beauty, express personality, and elevate everyday looks. One of the biggest advantages of clip hairstyles is their convenience, as they allow people to create elegant or trendy hairstyles in just a few minutes without using heat or damaging hair. Clip hairstyles are suitable for all hair types, including straight, wavy, curly, and natural hair, and they work beautifully on short, medium, and long hair lengths. Popular hair clip types include claw clips for quick updos and messy buns, barrettes for sleek and decorative looks, snap clips for bangs and front sections, jeweled and pearl clips for special occasions, and alligator clips for both styling and fashion purposes. Short hair looks adorable and modern with mini side clips, front pin designs, and layered decorative clips, while medium-length hair is perfect for half-up clip styles, twisted back looks, low-clipped ponytails, and romantic loose waves secured with elegant clips. Long hair offers endless possibilities, including full updos held with large claw clips, braided styles decorated with multiple clips, messy clip buns, layered clip designs for volume, and glamorous half-up looks enhanced with sparkling accessories. Trendy clip hairstyles include the effortless half-up claw clip style that keeps hair out of the face while maintaining softness, the messy bun secured with a clip for a relaxed and chic vibe, the side-swept clip style for a feminine and elegant appearance, the twisted back clip hairstyle for a romantic touch, clip-adorned braids that add creativity and flair, sleek low ponytails decorated with minimalist clips for a polished finish, bang clip styles that frame the face beautifully, and vintage inspired wave looks pinned with classic decorative clips for a timeless Hollywood effect. Clip hairstyles are ideal for different occasions, such as weddings where pearl, crystal, and floral clips add sophistication and bridal charm, parties where bold and glittery clips create a glamorous and eye-catching look, office environments where simple and neutral clips provide a professional and tidy appearance, casual outings where colorful or playful clips express creativity and fun, and every day where functional clips offer comfort and style. Many celebrities, fashion icons, and social media influencers have played a major role in popularizing clip hairstyles by showcasing trendy looks on red carpets, fashion shoots, and viral online tutorials, inspiring millions of people to experiment with clips in their daily routines. Choosing the right hair clip depends on factors such as hair thickness, length, texture, personal style, outfit coordination, and the specific occasion, with thicker hair requiring strong and durable clips and fine hair benefiting from lightweight and gentle designs. To ensure clip hairstyles last longer throughout the day, it is helpful to apply texturizing spray or a light hairspray before styling. Avoid overloading clips with too much hair, select clips with strong grips, secure hair gently but firmly, and adjust clips occasionally to maintain the desired look. Common mistakes to avoid include using weak clips that cannot hold thick hair, pulling hair too tightly which can cause discomfort or breakage, overcrowding hairstyles with too many clips which can look messy, selecting clips with sharp edges that may snag hair, and neglecting proper hair care routines. Clip hairstyles can also be personalized through creative DIY ideas, such as decorating plain clips with beads, pearls, ribbons, or charms, matching clip colors with outfits for coordinated fashion, mixing different clip shapes and sizes for unique designs, creating themed looks for holidays or events, and experimenting with bold colors or minimalist styles. These hairstyles work beautifully across all hair textures, enhancing the natural bounce of curls, adding structure and dimension to straight hair, defining waves for a soft romantic look, and supporting protective and low manipulation styles for natural and coily hair while promoting hair health. Proper hair care when using clips is essential, including removing clips gently to avoid pulling strands, keeping clips clean to prevent product buildup, avoiding sleeping with tight clips to reduce stress on the scalp, moisturizing hair regularly to maintain strength and shine, and ensuring that clips are not worn too tightly or for extended periods in the same position. Clip hairstyles truly represent the perfect balance of beauty, simplicity, comfort, and self-expression, offering endless inspiration and possibilities for modern hair fashion.